No one talks about this part of an online business, of building an online business. Nobody tells you that you can build an online business working 2 hours a day. Yes, it does take constant work, my friend. It does take persistency and consistency. In actual fact, we've got a step-by-step blueprint that teaches you and guides you every single day what you need to do in order to build yourself a lucrative online business, my friend. A business that, when set up right and you do it long term, can start paying you daily. Now, I can email this blueprint to you if you're interested. Hi there, my name is Errol, just an ordinary dad. I built a 6-figure business online, and this blueprint has assisted me in doing so. I've actually managed to start with $100. Now, I can email this blueprint to you should you want to. Just number one, give this video a like. Number two, comment the word email, and then I will know that I must email this blueprint to you. Now, we work 2 hours a day. I follow this blueprint every single day, and this 2 hours of focused, dedicated work is income activities. And I talk about this a lot, especially in my live streams. I normally go live 7 p.m. South African Standard Time during the weekdays, and weekends I'm a little bit different. But yes, so make sure you follow this profile, and then you can see me in my future videos and live streams.